Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies quick and easy only way. Start by creaming room temperature butter with sugar until light, then add eggs and vanilla. Fold in dry ingredients gently to avoid overmixing. Scoop dough using a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop for uniform size, chill dough 15 minutes, and bake on a lined sheet until edges are golden for perfect quick cookies every time. Use pantry shortcuts that keep flavor but cut prep time in half. Try premixed baking blends or grind oats quickly in a blender for a fine texture. Replace part of brown sugar with maple syrup for moisture and faster dissolve. Keep a measured bowl of mix-ins ready to drop in, and preheat the oven while you mix so you go straight from dough to bake, saving both time and fuss. If you are enjoying these quick cookie tips, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps floors crumb-free so you can bake without worrying about cleanup. It's a handy kitchen companion for busy bakers. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, tell me how it goes. Now let's get back to the video. Small technique changes make a big difference in quick baking. Rotate baking sheets halfway through to get evenly browned edges. Use parchment or silicone liners to prevent sticking and speed cleanup. Cool on a wire rack to finish setting without sogginess, and add a slice of bread in your storage container to keep cookies soft longer. These simple steps help you produce bakery-style results with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.